about. So
Yes.
what I've seen, what I've learned is that if we don't put the must word there, there are some targets, there are some goals uh, that actually is not achievable if you can't use, if you don't use the word must. So uh, how to handle such situations where the word must should be put and has to be put, so that actually I can finish it up. Because if I use the word should, then it just might so happen that I don't know ended up
I'm not
fin-
dedicated enough. Okay. So yeah, that is a belief again, Gaurav. In fact, that is a totally opposite thing. When you put must because of that fear, कि भाई, if I don't put must, then I will not be sincere enough, or I will not put the necessary efforts to achieve a target. Because I don't trust myself. I believe that I am somebody who will not, by their own decision, do the hard work. So if there is no must, then it is a problem. But in fact, it is the opposite. Because of the must, it puts undue pressure on it. It doesn't allow you to be yourself. It kind of puts an अनरियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑन यू कि ये तो होना ही चाहिए. तो होना ही चाहिए की वजह से जो माइंड है आपका, वो उसका जो एक्चुअल पोटेंशियल है ना आपका खुद का, यू आर नॉट इवन एबल टू यूज दैट बिकॉज इट ब्लॉक्स योर माइंड. रिमेंबर, योर माइंड इज योर ग्रेटेस्ट एसेट. योर माइंड ब्लॉक हो जाएगा तो क्या हो जाता है, फाइट एंड फ्लाइट रिस्पॉन्ड. नाउ इट इज डू और डाई. आई मस्ट मतलब डू और डाई. Do or die matlab I have to really put all my resources here and I don't allow myself a single error or a mistake. That pressure is so overwhelming that it doesn't allow you to use your whatever potential you have.
ma'am, in certain scenarios, I'm talking to you this because I've personally felt it when I was working. Because where I used to work, I don't have options to do something else. मतलब जो अपने बोला fear flight and the survival mode. So it was like that, because one mistake that I'll make, it will lead to a wrong KYC, it will lead to something, and I will be in jail. My branch manager will be in jail. The bank will come up with issues because AML issues, KYC issues. So I'm tackling with all of those every day, and the must that there's constantly in my head, it
Yeah.
somewhat drained my mental energy, ma'am.
Yeah, because you are taking too much on yourself for it. See, for something like that, like you're talking about documents में कुछ गलत नहीं जाना चाहिए, and उससे भी ज्यादा मैं आपको difficult situation बनाती हूँ. Boeing 737 Max 8, if anybody knows, is a grounded plane as of now.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is because of a really, really bad mistake that Boeing said. When we have some time, someday we will discuss that. Okay. So you can there. So when you manufacture planes, it's life and death of people, है ना? So you have to be really very, very careful. वहाँ का probability of a plane kind of going down is very less. But एक बार अगर वो probability हो गई ना, तो impact उसका बहुत huge है. मतलब people have lost lives. In fact, वो Boeing 737 is a case study. It's a
Yes,
very
ma'am.
case study. Almost 600 people lost their life because of an
Yes, ma'am.
error made by Boeing. Okay, so in that case, where you're in an industry where making a mistake का chances बहुत कम होना चाहिए, like it should be foolproof. That is the onus is on the system. The system should be such, it should be layered with a number of checks, and it should make you as an individual who is working in that industry, that system should be such कि वो आपको उतना capable बनाए कि आप errors नहीं करो, आपका इतना ध्यान रखे कि आप errors नहीं करो. अभी इन्होंने बोइंग का एक काम क्या था, what did they do is they had actually laid off 200 senior engineers जब ये उनका सॉफ्टवेयर का डिजाइनिंग कर रहे थे वो लोग. और उन्होंने क्या बोला, हम जो बोइंग अभी ना बहुत सीनियर, बहुत ही मैच्योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हो गया, तो हमें ना सीनियर इंजीनियर्स की जरूरत नहीं, वी डोंट नीड सीनियर इंजीनियर्स. So we will do good with working with outsourcing this code writing to countries like Russia and even India का नाम आया था उसमें. So they decided to lay off these people. उनका salaries बचाया, cost बचाया, outsource किया बहुत कम cost में. And that coding जो होता था, literally, especially with the Russians, because Russians have a difficulty, they are not as good in English as Indians are. Okay, so Russians and Chinese, both, they have this challenge with English. तो दे यूज्ड टू से दैट वो जो कोडिंग हम रिव्यू करके भेजते थे टू रशियंस और फिर वहां जो हम कुछ सजेस्ट करते थे एंड दैट इम्प्लीमेंट होके आता था, वो एक कम्युनिकेशन क्लियर करने के लिए 20 टाइम्स टू एंड फ्रो लगता था. So that was a quality lapse that Boeing as an organization did, and that is why everybody involved in it got also became a part of it. So yes, the onus is on the company as well as the industry as well as the individual, but the individual should be given that kind of an environment. Industry में risk कितना है, कौन से industry का और कितना ख्याल रखना है mistake नहीं होने का, ये बहुत specific चीज है. And accordingly, processes of the industry and the company should be such rather than putting it on an individual. तो अगर आप ये सोचते हो कि नहीं ये मेरा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और मेरे को मस्त मस्त करके करना है, तो वो गलत है. बिकॉज आप एक सिस्टम में हो, दैट सिस्टम शुड हेल्प यू दैट कि आपको उतना वो रेस्ट दे, उतना आपको एबिलिटी दे कि आप अपना दिमाग शांत करके एरर फ्री कर सको, आपके ऊपर इतना काम का बोझा नहीं डाले. ये इंडस्ट्री के ऊपर है. सो आई वुड स्टिल से इट इज नॉट ऑन यू. अगर आप वो मस्ट करो, आप जो लगता है कि मेरे ऊपर है मुझे मस्ट करना ही पड़ेगा, बिकॉज यू लुक एट दैट सिचुएशन दैट यू आर अ पार्ट ऑफ. And from that level, yes, I agree with you. But actually, it is not like that. It is not you who has to take the onus of it. You get my point?
Right.
In fact, psychology must
Ma'am,
is
one
yes.
one last question, ma'am. How what to do and how to handle when you are the last check yourself?
You are the
last checker yourself. So how to handle those situations?
You are the one who is checking last. You have the role of an checker, right? The tester, the person who signs off कि हाँ मैंने ये पूरा check किया हुआ है. Yes, you have to have an alert mind. So it's you should have proper sleep. You should take a physically. You should be see इसमें जब vigilance की बात आती है, जब physically आपका जो skill है, physically alertness is very important in industries in something like this. So as an professional of this industry, you should ensure that your body clock, your physical body clock is proper in place, so you get enough sleep, you have the physical aptitude to handle out those things कि आप fresh होके वो check करो. And one way of kind of helping your mind to do the checking properly, because people who are in this testing industry and all, what they do is shuttle between two things. So एक बार आपने shuttle as in I'm not saying multitasking, but आपने कुछ checking का task खत्म किया, you put in a kind of an upper limit to it that 2 hours I will do this work, then I will give myself some break from it. So your mind is completely out of that environment, that memories of those things. Because कभी कभी क्या होता है, हम सामने दिख रहा है पर नहीं दिखता है, क्योंकि मेरा माइंड पुराना इमेज को ध्यान में रख रहा है. सो पुराना इमेज बिठा के आप वापस 15 मिनट ब्रेक ले लो, then come back and look at it. But your body, your physical clock is very important for a role like that, if you are into that role, because it's more about being very very specific about details, checking everything one by one and ensuring that there is minimum error there. So yes, that is your responsibility as an individual, and the industry should also ensure that that kind of an environment and help is provided to people, which sadly nobody understands.
Nobody understands. I wish I could have ये talk मैम 2 साल पहले सुना होता. Honestly.
Yeah, because this is, see, at the end of the day, you as an individual have only so much role to play. Okay, instead of putting that undue pressure on yourself, you would have done something about making people aware of it, or you choose an industry where you feel you are valued, or you are, it's like it's worth it. Okay, and specifically industries like this, जो बहुत सारा pressure रखता है, like pilots and all, specifically CUC pilots, उनका कैसा schedule होता है, they are given enough rest. So people like them, so the industry should take care of it. Industry ka environment and system and processes should be like that. And then yes, you like in this Boeing 737 also, simulations banane padte, unko training dena padta. They didn't want to do that. So the pilots knew what? They were not even given training in what the new feature they had added. This is something I love this case study. So I will talk about it later, but just to tell you that is what happened there. So it's all on the industry. The onus is not on you only. Remember that. In general, in life, must wala jo hai na, that is what causes all the unpleasant behaviors. It's a rational emotive behavioral theory. That unconditional self-acceptance, the video you remember I showed you all? Yeah. Same theory का ये part है. Rational theory. Rational is not again only logic. रैशनल वर्ड से आप लोग मिसगाइड हो सकते हो कि हम बोलते हैं माइंड से सोचो. नो, माइंड और हार्ट कुछ भी बोलो, योर लॉजिक, योर थॉट्स एंड योर इमोशन both are in sync with each other. Both are yours. You can't just get rid of one. When you tell yourself I should control my emotion, I should not feel this, I should not करके must करके नहीं होता है कि बोल दिया कि you should not feel. What you feel is a part of your system. The system has been designed. Just बोल देंगे उसको कि नहीं अभी इतना क्यों दुखी हो रहे, positive हो जाओ. You know, certain people don't think like this, think positive. Right, but suddenly you can't just change thinking and you can't say, you can't ignore that जो सामने हो रहा है वो उसको मैं ignore करके positive हो जाऊँ. So
Right.
rational theory tells you that you feel whatever you have to feel, whatever is whatever the emotion that comes to you. But वो जो irrational में क्या होता है, irrational thoughts के वजह से it is always black and white, 0 या 100%. So when I मेरा mind ने fear अंदर capture किया है, subconscious mind, and subconscious mind doesn't understand logic. तो subconscious mind क्या करता है, subconscious mind हमेशा एकदम ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट लेके आ जाता है. सो इफ आई एम फियरफुल अबाउट अ सिचुएशन वेयर आई एम स्केर्ड कि मैं प्रेजेंटेशन अच्छा होगा कि नहीं होगा, प्रेजेंटेशन से डर लग रहा है, एंड इफ आई लुक एट इट इन अ मस्ट फॉर्म, आई एम गोइंग टू फ्रेट एट 100%. या आप अगर एक स्केल ले लो 1 to 10 का, which defines the say you know intensity of an event that happens in your life, 0 being nothing and 1 being very less severe and 10 being very 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 severe. So अगर 10 incident किसी की भी life में आप ले लो, so it could be something like you know should not happen to everybody, but अगर हमें imagine करना है, because your mind is all about imagination, imagine करना है तो 10 is a situation where suppose it's an earthquake or it is something where it's actually you know life is at stake. आपका सही में life is at stake and my life is at stake and I'm worried there. I have to imagine myself in that situation. That is number 10. If ऐसे सिचुएशन आज तुम्हारे सामने है तो 100% फ्रेट करना, डरना ये वाजिब है. पर ऐसा है क्या? एवरी टाइम whenever I feel very scared, very anxiety, I should think and I should ask myself, ये नंबर 1 का है, 2 का है, 3 का है, 10 का है कि 5 का है? अगर ये 5 का है तो I should be upset appropriately. You know, a small change in thinking brings change in the emotion of an individual. This happens because this is something I try in practice, in counseling, in therapy we try this. So एक इंसान को हम बोलते हैं they feel very 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 extreme fear or extreme upset they are because of something. They feel that ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Something as simple as you know there is an irrational belief about fairness. Many of us pick up this belief कि ना world should be fair, है ना, और सब लोग सही ही करना चाहिए. कौन सा सही? जो मेरे दिमाग में सही है. जो मेरे दिमाग में सही है कि ये सही है वो गलत है ना. तो कोई भी अगर जो गलत करता है तो मेरा खून खौल जाएगा. अगर मैं इरेशनली सोचती हूँ कि एवरीबडी मस्ट बिलीव, एवरीबडी मस्ट डू यू नो एक्ट फेयरली, अगर मैं ऐसा सोचूंगी तो कल कोई कुछ गलत करेगा, कोई कस्टमर केयर वाला मेरे साथ गलत तरीके से बात करेगा, मेरे पे गलत ब्लेम डालेगा कि आपने कुछ गलत किया, तो मैं ऐसी चीज से ना ऑफेंड हो जाऊंगी बहुत जल्दी और मैं सोचूंगी अरे ये सिचुएशन क्या आ गया, आई मस्ट. और मस्ट हमेशा अपने लिए नहीं होता है, मस्ट अदर्स के लिए भी होता है. एवरीबडी मस्ट यू नो बी फेयर, एथिकल ऑल द टाइम्स. अगर मैं ऐसा सोचूंगी तो मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आएगा. आई एम लाइक you know this person is not right, he's not working fairly and so I must shout or yell at him. ऐसा हो सकता है. लेकिन हम ऐसे कई लोग आते हैं सोचते हैं यार मेरी मदर इन लॉ ना ऐसी चीजें करती है मेरे साथ. अगर देखने जाओ तो वो रोजमर्रा की चीजें, एवरीडे डे टू डे थिंग्स. दे आर नॉट सम लाइफ एंड डेथ सिचुएशन, but they are things like you know that which are very not right actually. But a daughter-in-law getting affected by that, why? Because she thinks in her mind that no, my mother-in-law must be fair, she must not do anything wrong. But when we sit with them and when we ask them, okay, so if there is a scale 1 to 10 and 10 is a life in that situation that you're drowning, you don't know swimming and you're dying, अगर वो 10 सिचुएशन है तो उसके सामने ये मदर इन लॉ ने जो भी कुछ किया या जो ये कस्टमर केयर वाले ने जो भी कुछ बोला वो उसके सामने कौन सा लेवल का है? So when people come to that idea, okay, my mother-in-law, what she said, actually वो अगर 10 है तो ये तो number 4 ही है. Now just a simple change in this thought will bring, उसका जो गुस्सा है ना पूरा नीचे आ जाता है. And they are like, क्या यार ये तो छोटी चीज है. छोटी चीजें ऊपर से दूसरा एक चीज, अगर मैं उसको बोलूँ ठीक है आप ऐसा सोचते हो ना, you think that your mother-in-law must act fairly, but tell me something, who gave you that guarantee when you were born in this world that everybody will be fair? ऐसा किसी ने गारंटी दिया आपको? What does the evidence say? आज की तक दुनिया में क्या सब लोग फेयर ही हुआ है? दुनिया, the world has never been fair. You have heard stories about Hitler killing people just because they belong to a particular sect and burning them alive. So ऐसा भी हुआ है दुनिया में, तो ये दुनिया तो कभी भी फेयर नहीं थी. तो आप क्यों ऐसा डिमांड करते हो कि सब कुछ फेयर होना चाहिए? Everybody has a right to do the wrong just by being born on this world. फिर वो अपना एथिक्स क्या भी है, जो भी है उसको राइट है गलत करने का भी. So when that understanding again seeps in, then the person start realizing, yeah, it's not why, what was making them feel so terrible was her own belief that mother-in-law को ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. अगर जब वो बिलीफ कम कर देती है, वो बोलती है ठीक है मैं चाहती हूँ मेरी मदर-इन-लॉ मेरे से प्यार से बात करे और फेयरली ट्रीट करे, और अगर नहीं भी करे then also I am good with that. I am okay. It doesn't affect me. It is her behavior, not something that I need to do. So just a small shift in the thinking brings a lot of peace to individuals and brings them in present. Are you getting my point? What I'm saying, trying to say that the idea of must जो है ना, that is irrational belief, and rational belief is not saying के fairness नहीं होना चाहिए, approval नहीं होना चाहिए. We're not saying that. We're saying approval, fairness is desirable. I prefer that it happens, but it is not a must, because when I say it is not a must, then I don't go in fight or flight mode. फाइट और फ्लाइट मोड में मैं कब चली जाती हूँ? जब मैं मस्ट सोचती हूँ. मैं सोचती हूँ जैसे मुझे ऑक्सीजन चाहिए ब्रीथ होने के लिए, इसीलिए वैसा ही मुझे ये चाहिए कि सब फेयर होना चाहिए. Your mind falsely thinks that way. When the mind falsely thinks that way, then whenever that must के खिलाफ कुछ भी होता है ना, छोटा सा भी इंसिडेंट, so your mind goes into fight and flight mode, and then the story is खत्म. अपने को फाइट एंड फ्लाइट सिर्फ अपने को बचा के रखना है, अपने को नॉर्मल करंट माइंडफुलनेस में रहना है, करंट में. द मोर यू स्टे हियर इन करंट सिचुएशन एंड यू कैन गेज द इंटेंसिटी, 1 to 10 का स्केल हमेशा हम ध्यान में रखें कि भाई लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ कितना हो सकता है बुरा, कितने लोगों के साथ एक्चुअल में हुआ है बुरा. And my life compared to that currently is just about a customer care executive not talking to me politely, and I am like getting upset, like as if everything is gone bad, and I'm yelling and shouting, and you realize. So that scale is something can help. But yes, we'll talk more about it. But what I want to do now is an activity. So you get my idea about irrational beliefs and RBs, correct? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Just want the rephrasing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Sakshi, what do you understand by IB? Anisha? Deepika?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was.
Irrational behavior, और जब we use must, then irrational behavior आती है. And it generally turns when fight and flight mode में जब हम लोग आते हैं, then.
करेक्ट. फाइट एंड फ्लाइट मोड है वो IB है, वो मस्ट वाला बिलीफ,
मस्ट वाला क्राइटेरिया
बिलीफ है जो बिहेवियर लेके आता है. सो IB इज इरेशनल बिलीफ दैट पीपल हैव डेवलप्ड, एंड RB इज प्रेफरेंस. वही बात बोलना बट प्रेफरेंस पकड़ के, इट इज अ प्रेफर्ड थिंग बट इट इज नॉट अ मस्ट.
नॉट मस्ट.
करेक्ट. नाउ वन ऑफ द, यू ऑल सेड दैट देयर नंबर ऑफ.
मैम सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट. मैम एक्चुअली यहाँ पे ना बहुत नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा है. आई वाज ट्राई टू लॉग इन.
कैमरा पे नहीं, लेकिन हाँ व्हाटएवर यू कैन स्टे, यू नो. देखा
मैम एक्चुअली यहाँ पे भी नेटवर्क इशू है एंड सुशांत इज आल्सो फेसिंग द सेम. सो
मैम अभी मेरी 4-5 बार क्लास लॉग आउट हो गई.
I would just request you to make Gaurav the co-host so that if by any chance me or Sushant get logged out, so he can handle it.
I'll make Gaurav. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
I made Gaurav co-host. ठीक है. So basically, yes, that is the idea. What you said, Sakshi. So now you all said that हम कैसे beliefs जो है ये beliefs are very rigid. ये बहुत रातों रात बदलती नहीं है. So when we do therapy also हम लोगों पे 3-3 6-6 महीने डालते हैं और वो लोग करते हैं, ये तभी जाके चेंज आता है. पर चेंज आता है. अगर मस्ट में से प्रेफरेंस में भी आ जाए ना लोग, तो भी उनकी लाइफ बहुत शांति में आ जाती है, पीस आ जाता है. समथिंग लाइक whether it is handling relationship with other, handling their fear, confidence about job, all of these things can be worked upon, but it takes time because ये IB भी जो हमने बनाई है, पकड़े हैं हम, वो हम बहुत you know, it's been repeatedly we have been exposed to these things and it has become so rigid. So it's not so easy to change it overnight, but it can be changed. But yes, considering के भाई ये sources कहाँ से आते हैं, why we develop IBs and why we develop RBs. So you all said that the environment, the teachers, the family, all of these things, the friends. उसके साथ में one important एक angle होता है, वो है आपका media, the movies you watch, the programs you watch, the books you read, the songs that you keep listening to again and again. Yeah. So one area that today I want to focus on is the songs, the music that we all listen to, because I think most of us connect with music और सबका कहीं ना कहीं music के साथ वास्ता रहता ही है, right? So I want you to now focus on one area. Okay. So I'll divide you into groups, and what you need to do is each group has to give me 5 songs. You have to discuss and come up with 5 songs. It could be Bollywood, it could be Hollywood, it could be anywhere. It could be a Gujarati song, it could be a Marathi song, it could be a Bengali song. You will have to just tell us what is the meaning of it. Okay. So जो songs है, along with the music, sometimes like I will give you just one example. You know, in specifically in our movies, one area which is exaggerated is the importance of romantic relationships. Like when there is a breakup, and if a kind of a relationship is broken, then they show that through songs and all, that the entire world of that person comes crashing down and everything is gone. Like सब कुछ खत्म हो गया, वो वाला feeling. Okay, that movies have many times portrayed through very strong songs and all. Now, as a mature individual, when I watch it, of course, it is not going to make me take up any belief. But think of the growing generation. ये songs और ये सब तो सभी सुनते हैं ना, बच्चे भी सुनते हैं, teenagers भी सुनते हैं, and repeat पे सुन के all of these things can make them believe, can make them develop an irrational belief inside them, which will get activated only when their conscious mind shuts down. Of course, conscious mind में हमेशा हमको लगता है हाँ ठीक है, लेकिन हमेशा conscious mind is not responsible for what you are. In fact, your 90% behavior is because of your subconscious mind. So ये एक area है जहाँ पे I'm not saying romantic relationships are bad and a breakup can be not painful. It can be painful, but it is not the end of the world. वो idea हमें movies से ज़्यादातर नहीं मिलती. Movies normally show that it is the end of the world and the world has come crashing for that person. The words, the lyrics, the music, the sadness in the music of such songs really make it very big. So that is one area. Another area is something like Rebel, like something, you know, movie like Rockstar. Very good in terms of art, as if you want to appreciate. But if you look at it as a life of an individual, the music, the songs they show, that's about, yes, my life has not been very good to me. So I will become rebellious and I will use any abusive language and I will talk to anybody or behave in any way I want because life was unfair to me. That kind of behavior is justified by many movies. It is not helpful. I'm not saying right or wrong, but is it helpful for anybody? In the movie, they show that the person also, most of the movies बताता है उसका progression, कि ऐसा attitude doesn't help. End में बंदा अपनी life से भी हाथ खोए बैठता है. हाँ, they show it. But who remembers that? Songs तो repeat पे जो आप सुनते हो, they are not giving that overall gist of the entire situation. No? So it can be very detrimental to my growing generation, my children who are growing up and who have very impressionable minds. उनके दिमाग पे ये बहुत गलत असर कर सकता है, उनको रिबेलियस बना सकता है. They feel that yes, rebel is what is the way to life. For all my problems that I'm facing, the problems are genuine, but they may choose an approach towards that problem like this, which may not help them also. Another area where the movies have helped people develop IBs. I'm just talking about IBs first. RBs bhi aayenge. Another area is that beauty is everything. Good looks is everything. अब आप देखो कैसे movies होते हैं, songs होते हैं, which always talk about, a hero falling in love with some Chaudhary ka chand. Using those kind of terms with for the subject of his muse. So for him it's like जो सुंदर है उसी से मुझे प्यार हो जाएगा, love at first sight, and then on that basis they develop the entire story. That relationship is because the girl looks good or the guy looks good. That is why they've chosen each other. Now an individual is not only how they look. I'm not saying that don't appreciate beauty. Beauty should be appreciated, but that balanced view of it, that is, I like you and I want a relationship with you because you are of course beautiful, you have this personality, you treat me like this, how I feel with you about myself when I'm with you, it's about all of those things. वो कहाँ पे आता है आपके मूवी के सॉन्ग्स? वो क्या सॉन्ग्स क्या बात करता है? हाँ तुम्हारे गोरे गाल एंड काले बाल, लंबे बाल. It's always about that. So it may sound a little funny, but then actually if you look at it seriously, a child who is growing up will only be getting this message, no? वो बाल भले कॉन्शियसली बाद में सोचता है, पर अंदर से जो उसको बुरा लग रहा है. Why that one of the irrational beliefs is about feeling undeservingness and inferiority. This is one of the major challenges that people are facing today. खुद को inferior feel करते हैं. क्यों feel करते हैं? Because उन्होंने अपने आप को हमेशा कहीं ना कहीं किसी better looking person से compare किया है, किसी के पास ज्यादा पैसा है उसके साथ compare किया है. Comparison गलत नहीं है, comparison अपने आप में factually correct है, but that comparison को लेके मैं अपना पूरा पर्सनालिटी का बिहेवियर उस पे डाल दूं कि हाँ भाई आई एम लेस गुड लुकिंग देन हर, मतलब आई एम लेस इंडिविजुअल, आई एम 100 थिंग्स. well, looks is just one part of it, my height is just one part of it, my financial status is just one of those 100 things. But when I talk, see somebody, I compare myself and I'm okay, he's taller than me and I'm really impressed by his height and I feel if I was also that tall, I'm not saying don't accept it. Accept that is a fact that I am shorter. I would prefer अगर मेरे पास ज़्यादा height होती, पर आज नहीं है. Does it make my life unlivable? Does it make me a lesser individual than that person? If I think that, it's a very shallow thing. But think about the songs that you listen. They always focus on the physical beauty of individuals. Not seeing from the lens of a matured individual. See it from the lens of a person who is growing up, who is young, has an impressionable mind. So बाद में लोग अच्छे से consciously तो अपने आप को अच्छे से behave कर लेते हैं, but they अंदर ही अंदर they feel undeservingness, they feel inferiority. Undeservingness is one area where we work a lot again. They feel that others are supposed to have enjoy things in life, good health, good food and relationship, but I am not supposed to because I am inferior. ऐसी कहीं पे belief होती है. So I must always struggle. Others can get everything the way they want. ऐसी भी belief होती है लोगों में. Right. So all these things come from irrational belief. So that is one part. But the same movies and songs have also done a great job in generating very rational beliefs also. Certain motivational songs that you have, the lyrics of it that motivate you to kind of, stay on track. If you have lost any, track of your goal, then when you listen to a song and suddenly you will get that energy and you will back on track. ऐसे भी rational भी songs है. Rational beliefs बनाने वाले. Songs that show you that, that life में present में जीना कितना important है, mindful रहना कितना important है. There are beautiful songs about such ideas also. So they can be a rational belief वाले songs. Right. So songs play an important role. In fact, the playlist that you have decides कि आपका psychological makeup कहाँ जा रहा है in future. योर प्लेलिस्ट, सॉन्ग का एक प्लेलिस्ट ऐसी चीज है ना जो आप अगर 3-4 महीने तक, अगर आपको चेंज करना है अपना माइंडसेट, आप उस हिसाब से डिजाइन करो अपना प्लेलिस्ट, एंड इन 3 months you will have a different way of looking at life. It is that powerful. Yeah, so the work that you're going to do in groups is what? I'm going to divide you into how many people are there? Okay, I'll divide you into 6 rooms. In each group, what you need to do, you need to think of 5 songs. 3 should be RBs and 2 should be IBs. ऐसे सॉन्ग आइडेंटिफाई करो जो कोई ना कोई 3 सॉन्ग ऐसे होने चाहिए जो आरबीज को, मीनिंग रैशनल बिलीफ को प्रमोट करते हैं, हेल्प करते हैं पीपल को डेवलपिंग रैशनल बिलीफ, एंड 2 which is something which would have really helped people develop irrational beliefs. Like I gave you some examples, you can look around those themes. Yeah, is that clear? Any doubts on that?
No, ma'am.
All right.
Yes,
So I am dividing you into groups. You get 10 minutes. Okay. And after that, so I'll come in between to check how is it going around, and 5 songs you define, and you come back and then you will tell us the songs, the explanation. One of you can do a say or a couple of you can say. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
There you go. I'm opening the rooms. Rajvi, are you there? Gitansh? Anuj, were you in a part of any group?
Group 1.
Yeah, you're done.
Yes, ma'am. And we all are in group 1.
Okay. I'm just closing the groups in a minute.
Okay.
One minute, everybody would be back. Everybody stay on camera. Don't go off camera. Last 10 seconds. Okay, everybody is back. Okay, fine. Then stay on camera, everyone. I could witness and I could just, when I went to different rooms, I could see some good discussions going on. So let's see now the output of those discussions. Okay, so which group would like to go first? Any volunteer group? Yes,
Group 1.
okay, okay, Anuj.
Rajiv.
A very good afternoon, ma'am, and all my members. Today we are going to present some song which depicted a rational behavior and irrational behavior. So the first song is "Apna Dil Aayega," "Apna Time Aayega." Sorry.
Okay.
Yes, this is rational behavior because, ma'am, right here the maybe the song is depicted like that. Maybe time is not in our favor, but we should keep faith ourselves and we should not lose hope because and at the same time we should proceed towards the future with positive mental attitude. And in the last in the movie we saw that Ranveer Singh he gained a lot of success. So that is a totally rational behavior and totally it helps. And these songs helps our thinking, positive thinking helps too.
Okay.
And the next one presented by Anuj.
Siddesh.
Sorry, Siddharth. Yeah.
Yes, the second song is Ziddi Hai, Dil Ziddi Hai from Mary Kom movie. So
Okay.
with this song, it shows that no matter how many times you fail, but in order to success, you have to fail a lot of time in life. But if you are stubborn, if your दिल is जिद्दी, मतलब तुम अगर अपने success के लिए तुम अगर बहुत ज़्यादा ही जिद्दी हो, then you will achieve it. So you have, in order to get success, you have to be जिद्दी. So that motivates a lot of people.
Beautiful. Yes, that's a good choice. It shows the
Yeah.
consistency of effort. How can
Yes.
you keep up the consistency of effort? Okay. Next.
Next, Anuj.
Yesha.
Yesha.
Thank you, Siddesh. The third song is Kare Har Maidan Fateh. It is basically saying that we should conquer every peak, like climb every mountain and climb, as in conquer each and everything. You should try hard and be successful. So
Yeah.
the next one will be taken by Viti.
Okay, that's also a beautiful one. Next, who is there next?
Next,
Anuj.
me.
Okay. So now we're talking about irrational song. So the first song which we discussed is Ji Karda Dila Do Tenu Burj Khalifa, which is like someone is trying to express their love by showing or by giving them what he can't afford, or it's a totally irrational thing according to us. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Through materialistic stuff, also you are kind of trying to
Yeah.
interested in you. Okay. Then.
I mean,
Ma'am, next is ये चांसा रोशन चेहरा. So इसमें beauty बहुत ज़्यादा comparison किया है with so much in materialistic thing which doesn't make sense. and इसमें पूरा it's a imaginary thing which is not actually really possible, but उसमें beauty को बहुत ज़्यादा materialistic चीजों से comparison किया है.
Yes. Fair enough. Yes, I think the group did a good job. It was beautifully done. I love the way you brought out all the rational songs. This is also something that you need to. I'm creating a forum on Quick Force. So I would want you to keep down the entire list on the forum, group wise. Okay, beautiful. Beauty again. You talked about certain songs that kind of exaggerate the importance of beauty and kind of make it the only thing which is important. That is the problem. Appreciating beauty is not a problem. It cannot be that difficult. But yes, if you kind of just exaggerate that and you kind of are giving a message to the people that, you know, if you're beautiful, you are better than others, or you stand a better chance of succeeding in life. That is what is a challenge. Okay. Next group.
This group 2.
Ma'am, we can go next.
Okay.
Okay. So, sorry, Gaurav. Okay, so group 2 now, like we, as you entered the meeting, we were discussing the first rational song would be "Give Me Some Sunshine" from Three Idiots, which actually, you know, define the college students or the students which we are here also present, that we everybody need one chance in our life, and we don't want that any authority to take a direct action towards it. Because of a direct action, that person had to suffer a lot, and due to that, he made this song which motivated a lot of people, and not motivated, but it was kind of you know, he was asking for a proof, and he's asking that everybody deserves a chance basically. So the first song was this. The second we would like to continue with Anshika.
Yeah, that's the next Sunshine wala song is good choice. It's kind of in bringing that again open forum that I want to voice out that this is not right what is happening. Yes, Anshika.
So the next song is Who Says. It's by Selena Gomez. So it's about it's Who Says. So it's she says that nobody is there to define who you are, and who says that you are not perfect, who says you are not beautiful, who says it's up to her that what she wants to be. She does not want to be anybody else. So yes, it gives a good message that you should not listen what people think about you. You should not let someone else tell that what you are and what should describe the beauty. Could be anything. It is the work of art and everything. So yes, this is a good song.
Beautiful. Yes, thank you.
Next song will be said by Siley.
Yeah, so the next song was Aas Paas Hai Khuda from Anjana Anjani. The song is a very positive song, and it tells you that you need to stop in case you're stuck somewhere in order to move ahead. So that's a very positive song, and that's the reason we chose it for rational behavior.
Lovely.
So I'll ask Virendra to continue.
Okay.
Okay, for Irrational, we have picked the Man Bharya song for B Parag का. उसमें वो पूरा डिपिक्ट करता है कि कैसे उसका मतलब था पूरा कि कैसे वो लेडी चीजें कर रही है बट पूरा ब्लेम गेम हो रहा है उसके ऊपर. सो इसीलिए हमने वाला एक सॉन्ग डिसाइड किया.
So what is the extreme thing that you think that is making it a irrational belief? इसमें क्या दिखाया है? Like
last में he hits the woman and then she's dead because he did not know, he was drunk. And then when he got up, he realized that she was dead, and her soul came up to her, and he realized that was a big mistake. And yes, he kept on blaming, and there are some lines that next time when you're like, we say like Agle Janam, you will be in my shoes and you will see what I have faced and everything. That's very, and this is very wrong. Ma'am, next will be told by Shiva.
Okay, next would be Shiva.
Okay. So ma'am, the another song for irrational belief is मुझे छोड़ के जाओगे तो बड़ा पछताओगे. So that's the song where the hero was going through the breakup and he saw his wife was cheating on him. So he just had poison, and yeah.
Yeah, so extreme thing ke why you're cheated in a relationship, and that means that makes you end your life. Usko justify kar raha hai wo.
And same along with that song, there is also another song, ठुकरा के मेरा प्यार मेरा इंतकाम देखेगी. So
what is the idea there?
So they were about to marriage, and then his wife just ran away from the mandap and ठुकरा दिया ना उसका.
No, it is a very bad message, and आजकल whenever something there is an argument, then boys get into that zone. Like not normally, generally, some people are like that they'll go into that zone that ठुकरा के मेरा प्यार मेरा इंतकाम देखेगी तू. They'll go into
But
revenge movie.
after that, hero has shown her his intakam. He become a PCS officer.
So it's very easily seen that he has become this officer, but ऐसा नहीं होता है. वो दूसरे बंदे आशिक ही बनने रहते हैं, तो कोई वो नहीं रहता.
IAS ऑफिसर अगर वो बन गया है तो अच्छी बात है. मतलब वो ऐसा मतलब काम करके अगर IPS ऑफिसर बनना है तो इनसे अच्छा तो अपने.
मैम बट लास्ट में वो उसी लड़की से शादी करता है ये गाना गा के भी, तो क्या सेंस है?
Like what?
पूरी पिक्चर दिखा दो.
It's a movie में वो लोग सही में काफी चीजें दिखाते हैं. So that is what. Even song is just one part. Even it comes to the point of certain movies which have really given very wrong messages to the people. So yes, fair enough. Good job, I think. That is it. Second group.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we go next?
Yeah. Rutuja.
Ma'am, the first rational behavior song that we have chose, it's Gayatri Mantra, and it is because it resembles that we worship to the power of divine, and it enhances the positivity in oneself.
Yes.
And the second song will be explained by Dhanashri.
Okay.
Ma'am, the second national song we have chosen is Love You Zindagi. The song lyrics itself is self-explanatory that how we should think about our life and how we should lead our life. So we have chosen it as a national song. And next will be explained by Astha.
Okay. Yes.
I'll go next, Astha. So the next song that we have taken is Teri Mitti. It is a rational song. It shows how we are so devoted to our country and how we'll bear 100 of problem and then also will honor and safeguard the country's pride. So that is about Teri Mitti. The next song will be taken up by Akansha.
Okay, beautiful.
So the first irrational song we all have agreed upon is mainly all numbers, but Tere 14 se yaar chipka do sahiya Fevicol se. That's the most ridiculous, hilarious song, and it's absolutely irrational. And the next one will be explained by Pallav.
Okay.
Ma'am, song is Ratta Mar song. So, ma'am, Ratta Mar song. Ma'am, in that song, ma'am, the lyrics are "Bhul ja Everest chad ja to kitabo ke pahad." So it is very irrelevant. Like, how can we leave the logic and only learn and write in the exam? So that's why we chose this song.
Yes, lovely. I mean, I really love this angle that, you've brought out this thing that, okay, these songs are very catchy, but just to make something catchy, you can just not put together words and, you just, because it's music wise catchy to, to pick up. It becomes.
मैम लॉजिक उस दिन ही चला गया जिस दिन हुक्का बार और प्यार दोनों एक साथ में एक गाना में आ गया था. लॉजिक उस दिन ही चला गया था मैम.
अच्छा, yeah, that is the same song, right? Okay.
And we can go next. Group
Okay.
3.
Okay.
So our first rational belief song is called "Here Comes the Sun" by the Beatles.
Okay.
So in this song, it is mentioned how the winter season has ended and now the sun has come and now you can go out and shine in the sunshine and spread happiness and joy. The next song will be explained to you by Matthew.
Okay.
The next song is called Humble and Kind, and the song name itself explains what it is. It's about being humble and kind and about being very thankful. And I just want to read out the verse. The verse goes like this: hold the door, say please, say thank you. Don't steal, don't cheat, and don't lie. I know you've got mountains to climb, but always be humble and kind. So the song is about being very thankful.
Beautiful. Both the songs actually really are very beautiful. Even what Pratna mentioned, in fact, the seasons is what is a form of life on earth, and our life also actually can be mapped to that. That if you believe in that principle, the way seasons change and how the environment and the things in nature change, life also follows the same pattern. And Matthew, that was also very beautiful song where you're talking about, yes, it's like be humble. stay grounded.
And the next song will be explained to you by Nisha.
Yeah, so ma'am, the next song is Kyun Main Jagu. It's a song by Pakistani singer Shafqat Ali, and it's a song where it's from the movie Patiala House. So Akshay Kumar is he's trying very hard to achieve his dream, but he's still not getting what he wants. So he is kind of motivating himself to stay on the track, and he is speaking with God that why this is happening, why you have kept your eyes open, but still you are not helping me to achieve my dream. So it's a very I wouldn't say a sad song, but it's a very heart-wrenching song. He's cursing the God sometimes to not help him to achieve his goal. What do you want?
So you're saying this is irrational or rational?
It's irrational. It's rational. Sorry.
It is rational.
Yes, it's a song wherein Akshay Kumar himself, he's having a conversation with God. It's an introspection, a retrospection kind of a conversation wherein he's trying to find out why he's not able to achieve his goal.
Yeah,
So,
which is totally fine, because rational doesn't mean only positive and no negative. Unhealthy emotions are bad, but healthy negative emotions are also important. You need to process emotions to manage them. If you kind of keep yourself away from it, then also it is a problem. So yes, sadness, pain, all of these things are legitimate emotions, and they definitely, music can help, songs can help us process those emotions. So yes, that also can be a rational song.
Ma'am, now moving on to irrational songs. The first song is Afreen Afreen. It's objectifying women. He objectifies and then फिर उसने जाना कि तारीफ मुमकिन नहीं. So it's very ridiculous. The next song will be explained to you by Vihang.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. The next irrational song is this is basically a rap by Divine, named as Kaam 25. Where lyrics goes like Kaam 25 hai, Kaam Daam 25 hai, mere jaise ek tere se 36 hai. So it's like basically useless and makes no sense at all.
Yeah. These kind of songs again have become very common these days, na? Even if you see even
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
and usme there's an actual phrase which says, Vihang, why don't you?
It's basically मर जाएगा गलती से गायब तू धरती से चलता ये शेर बोले अपने ही मर्जी से. So it's like the whole song is like this only, ma'am.
Yeah, yes, definitely. This is a very irrational song, can also send very wrong messages, and impressionable minds definitely can be affected by something like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
So much. Yes, lovely. In fact, all the groups up till now has done really great job. I loved all the analysis and the rational and irrational songs. Okay. Who next?
Ma'am, we can go.
Gaurav. Okay, Gaurav, and then Akhil, your group. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Gaurav.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. So the three rational songs that I've chosen, I'll talk about one. It's Time by Pink Floyd. It is one of the greatest song that ever been written in the history of Earth, actually. So it's talk about the importance of time. The 4 lines that I want to tell is that there are 4 lines that I have made a canvas out of, and it's still there in my room. So and you run to catch up with the sun, but it's sinking, racing around to come up behind you again. The sun is the same, but in a relative way you are older, shorter of breath, and one day closer to death. So every time this song reminds us the importance of time, that it is so much valuable that we tend to forget. So that was it. Next song will be presented by Apurva.
Thank you, Gaurav. Ma'am, our next song would be Believer from Imagine Dragon. Yeah, ma'am. The song is mainly dedicated from a person who has experienced a great pain in his life, but has also learned certain things from those experiences. That's all.
Beautiful. Both the songs again very beautiful. Time, the value of time, and Believer, something that you learn from the experiences. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. The next song is "Cast to Your Beautiful," and this song is like this basically this song talks about body image. It is not. It doesn't talk about the physical beauty. It talks about the inner beauty, and it not only relates to women. It also relates to men. The line here that the one line is that you should not lose hope. Like even in dark, you should not lose hope. Means that even like when you have problems in your life, you feel that nothing is going right in your life, you should not give up in your life. Then your one more very beautiful line is that the world could change its thinking part and you don't have to change yourself. Like you should accept your flaws and you should accept the way you are, and you should like not uh, fake it up. Like you should not fake your personality because the world wants you to be one. You should accept that, know that you are different from others, you stand out in the crowd. And yeah, one more thing that it's like that, yeah, that the world should change its perspective and you don't have to change yourself. Like the world will accept you the way you are.
Yes, beautiful. That's a very beautiful song about value of your
Yeah, and one more line, like they say that there is no scars to your beautiful. This means that even though you have flaws in yourself, but still your soul is beautiful, like the way you are. It's like just you have to be you to be beautiful.
Lovely.
Ma'am, our next song is Chandaniya from Two States, which talks about irrational beauty. Basically, it talks about significance of a beauty and presence of a person. You can see that these two, like Alia Bhatt and Arjun Kapoor, are missing each other, and they are spending time with each other. And the line "तुझ बिन सूरज में आग नहीं है" या "रूह दा मोती है तू talks tells us that they bring light to each other's world. So that's why we have chosen Two States from Chandaniya.
Extreme romanticization of romantic
presence of a person. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The last song was Sadda Hug from Rockstar. So the whole song is all about the people, right? Is the Sadda Hug Ettherak. So our rights skip it here. And also the song is like if we are asking for our rights and if we are wrong, then tell me who is right. So it is all about a tempered, rebellious song.
Yes, it is rebellion. It's about I don't care at all, which is not a very helpful attitude in life, because we live in an interdependent world. So we do care for each other, then only we can live healthily. Okay, lovely. Finally, last group, Akhil.
Yes. So basically, we group 6.
Camera, everybody. Yeah, please, you're on camera. Be there on camera. Yes, Akhil.
So our first rational song is "All Is Well" from Three Idiots. It basically means whatever is the situation, whatever the life is going, you always say, "Bhaiya, all is well." Chachu, all is well. And in that song, there's a one line. दिल इडियट है तो उसको प्यार से फुसला दे और होठ घुमाओ सीटी बजाओ एंड जोर से बोला ऑल इज वेल, जोर से बोला भैया ऑल इज वेल. दैट मींस कुछ भी हो लाइफ, कुछ भी मैटर हो, कुछ भी सीन्स हो, एजुकेशन व्हाटएवर always all is well. There is nothing in it. The second one is love you zindagi. Is basically means you always love your life. Means there is no sad ending of your life. Yeah, the meaning are same of both the song. And third one is okay. Ek Khuda. So basically in that song there is a line, क्यों तूने दिल तोड़ा, क्यों तूने यूं छोड़ा, but अब भी है तेरा इंतजार. And the song is very in a happy way. He was smiling that, so it motivates people. Whatever the matters, you always stay happy. Not like you have to be sad always. It can be in a good way as well. And now moving towards irrational songs. Our first song is "Sach Keh Raha Hai Deewana" from that movie. In that line, in that song, there is a line, "सुंदर सुंदर वो हसीना थी बहुत सुंदर, मैं बिन पिए उसके नशे में बहका." That is very illogical for me. मतलब बिन पिए कि तुम कैसे नशे में हो सकते हो. And second one will be explained by the Sherian.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So second irrational song is Smoke Shisha and Play FIFA by Jord Indian. So basically, it's two friends. One is an Arab guy, and the second guy who's an Indian. So Indian's name is Raju, and the Arab guy's name is Mohammed. All right. So they have good friends, but both of them stay in different places. So Mohammed wants to impress Raju and tell him how good his lifestyle is in Dubai. Right. And then Raju is having a typical Indian lifestyle over here, who has bills to pay and everything. So Mohammed takes him to Dubai to make him experience the cars, the beaches, and the girls, and FIFA with shisha and everything, like the posh life over there. So that's it about that song. Yeah.
It's like irrational because it kind of focuses on the materialistic pleasures and compares it that way.
No, it's basically showing how life in Dubai is much greater than in India. Like the youth life, to be honest, like a lot of cars and
Yeah, so it
comparison. Yeah.
brings into a comparison that this is better and this is okay. You are also
And Raju apparently likes it over there, and I think he ends up being over there too.
Acha, okay. Based on whatever.
Ma'am, actually, I want to say one thing.
Yes, sir.
I also belong to this group only, but I was actually out, so I was not able to contribute so much. But when I got to know the activity, there is one song that came into my mind, which actually I think it's rational for me because, okay, first, what is the song? The song is Meri Ma from Tare Zameen Par. That song is actually rational because the state which I am in currently, I am about to move to Mumbai. And the song actually depicts what is the value of your mother. Means the feelings that the lyrics of that song has stated, the same feelings actually is there in me as well. So that is actually quite rational for me. And I guess many others would also relate to this song.
Definitely, everyone can relate to that song, Sushant. In fact, that's what I say, that Bollywood glorifies and romanticizes romantic relationships so much that all other relationships in our lives, they are not so portrayed well. The way, you know, it's like romance is given so much importance. So baki sara jo relationship hai, friendships hai, parents hai, you know, siblings love hai, उस पे बहुत कम songs है जो rational है ना, because yes, what that song Meri Ma is beautiful. Like it's about what I feel for my mother, and who actually parents are the ones who actually give you everything in life. I mean, if somebody you can trust in your life for your entire life, it's your parents. Nobody else can take that place. Blindly you can trust is your parents. So yes, that is a very, very beautiful song, Sushant. Thank you. Cherian, you were talking about one other song when I had come to the room, right?
Yeah, man. Plan dropped. I think I wanted to switch it. So
that was also some kind of an irrational song you were talking about, right? Which was not about it.
Yeah, it was a proper Malu song, but I think I had to explain like a lot for people to understand. Yeah, so I wanted to switch it.
So you switched it. Okay, fair enough. Okay, fine. So everybody, come on camera, please. Last minute. So this exercise was done very beautifully. I'm very impressed the way you all brought out all the songs and rational, irrational stuff. You know, so that they should. So my idea of doing this activity is that you know, the playlist that you choose for yourself is something which kind of determines your frame of mind and your attitude towards life. So if you choose a good playlist with rational songs, your mindset or whatever challenges you have specifically, which are basically from our emotional well-being, they can be managed. Something as simple, by doing something as simple as this. Okay. So we want to cut down on irrational beliefs वाला song. ऐसा नहीं है आर्ट की तरह किसी चीज को appreciate कर सकते हैं, कोई problem नहीं है. क्योंकि irrational belief वाला भी appreciate कर सकते हैं as an art form. But किसको मुझे अपनी playlist में डालना है and I want to continue listening to it on, you know, loop is a choice that I can make to help myself develop a very healthy emotional mindset. Okay, fine then. Thank you so much. Next class we are going to do GDs for everybody. One more round of GDs that everybody जो भी class में है सबका GD होना है. Before midterm का ये final component होगा. Okay, so next class we are going to do GD and everybody should be there. Try to be there on camera. Okay, try to check or get your internet connection corrected, so that it doesn't happen all the times. Internet once in a while is okay if it's not there, but get it corrected so that you don't have any challenges in staying on camera.
Ma'am,
Yes, okay.
on next Wednesday in lecture, maybe I cannot join the lecture because my sister wedding is there, and I will be at Rajasthan. So yeah, maybe I cannot join the lecture, or I cannot on the video.
Okay, let's see. Just connect with me. Anybody who has any challenges for next class, and it's like one of the thing, like till now you have been always there, and just connect with me. We'll figure out something. Okay.
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 Yeah.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.